next generation building, the top 8 construction technologies transforming the industry. Hello everyone, welcome to Pankaj K show, the Real Estate Strategist, where the future of construction meets innovation. I am Pankaj K and today we are uncovering something extraordinary. Technology in construction, the game-changing tool for builders, a journey into the heart of modern building. But what are these 8 revolutionary technologies that are reshaping our industry? Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets that are, constructing tomorrow, today, ready to be amazed. Let's dive into the world of futuristic construction. Virtual augmented reality, or VR and AR. Far from being, confined to the world of gaming, these technologies are making huge waves in the construction industry. Imagine, being able to walk through a remote site from the comfort of your office. That's the power of VR and AR. They are not just, about creating immersive experiences. They are about practical cost-saving solutions. Experts estimate that, implementing these technologies can basically lead to a staggering 90% reduction in building costs due to improved efficiency and accuracy. Drones. Well, let's fly into the world of drones. Drones have been buzzing around construction sites for a while, but the latest AI-powered drones are a game changer. With their advanced capabilities, including real-time aerial, imagery and 3D lidar scans, these drones are transforming the way construction sites operate. They provide invaluable data, enhanced safety, and vastly improved, project monitoring. Blockchain technology in construction. When you think of blockchain, you might think of cryptocurrencies, but its application in construction is revolutionizing, basically, the way we manage costs and procurement. Decentralized and secure nature, blockchain offers transparency and efficiency, streamlining processes and reducing the risks of fraud and errors. Digital twin. Moving on to digital twins. Well, this technology is like playing SimCity, but for real life construction projects, digital twins use simultaneous to create accurate virtual models of buildings. Well, these models allow for testing and optimization before a single brick is laid in the real world. They are basically revolutionizing the operational management from design to maintenance by just predicting real world performance. 3D laser scanner. Well, let's scan through the 3D laser scanner technology. I mean, this isn't another tool. It's basically a revolution in accuracy for planning and surveying, with the ability to capture detailed measurements and conditions of a site or structure. 3D laser scanners are invaluable for accurate project planning, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. 4D simulation. Well, it's time to visualize construction with 4D simulation. Imagine being able to see not just what a building will look like, but how it will be built over time. That's what 4D simulation offers. A dynamic view of the construction process, helping to optimize schedules and resources, saving both time and money. Building information modeling, which is also known as BIM. Well, building information modeling, or BIM, is not just the future, it's the present. BIM goes beyond traditional blueprints, offering a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a building. This technology is crucial for modern construction, well, improving coordination, reducing wastes, and allowing for more sustainable building practices. 3D printing. Finally, let's build up to 3D printing. This technology is literally shaping the future of construction, allowing us to create complex structures with unprecedented speed and efficiency. From houses to bridges, 3D printing is not just a novelty. It's a viable solution for rapid, cost-effective construction, bringing what once seemed impossible into reality. Excited by these construction innovations? Keep exploring with us. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more groundbreaking updates in real estate and construction. Thank you very much. Signing off for now. See you in my next video.